Hello everyone, this is Carla Rosa-King, immigration attorney, and today I have a frequently asked question for you. And the question is, what happens if I enter the United States with a K-1 or fiancé visa, but once I'm here, I have a change of heart, or maybe my US citizen petitioner fiancé have a change of heart and we decide not to get married. What happens then? Can I still stay in the United States? The answer to that question is no. If you are in this situation and you enter with your K-1 visa and you and your fiancé, your US citizen fiancé decide that you are not each other's soulmate and for whatever reason, and you just decide that you are not gonna get married. If you are in this situation, the best thing for you will be to leave the United States. Remember that when you enter with a K-1 or a fiancé visa, you are given authorization to be in the United States up to 90 days. This period of time cannot be extended. You are supposed to get married within this 90 days window and then file for adjustment of status. But if you decided that you are not going to get married, then you are not going to be adjusting status. You are no longer with your K-1 petitioner fiancé. So the best thing for you will be to leave the United States. If you don't, you have to keep in mind you're going to be in violation of US immigration laws. You could end up in removal proceedings. And also, there's one thing that I want to clarify. Some people think that, that they come on a K-1 visa and they decided, for some reason, they don't marry their US citizen petitioner fiancé and they decide to overstay. And some people think that, okay, I'm here on a K-1, I'm just going to overstay, and maybe in the future, I will meet somebody else, I will meet this new person, and I will adjust status through this new person. Well, keep in mind that you are not going to be able to do that. If you enter with a K-1 visa, you can only adjust status through your US citizen petitioner fiancé. You are not going to be able to adjust status through somebody else, through somebody else you marry. The law will not allow you to do that. So this is very important for you to keep in mind. Also, another important thing to keep in mind, if you enter with a K-1 visa and you don't marry your US citizen fiancé and you decide to overstay, if you overstay for 6 months or more, once you leave, you're gonna trigger the 3 or 10-year bar. So these are things that you need to keep in mind if you enter on a K-1 visa and you are thinking whether you go back to and you don't marry your US citizen fiancé and you're thinking whether you go back to your home country or not. The best thing for you to do, if you are in this situation, if you enter on a K-1 visa and you do not marry your US citizen petitioner fiancé, the best thing for you to do will be to leave the United States. So if you have any questions about this or any other immigration related matter, please feel free to give us a call at 773-366-1214 and schedule a consultation with me. I hope you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.